Hello everyone, this is a demonstration of the software Revit architecture. So what is Revit architecture? Revit architecture is a software developed by Autodesk using the base BIM, that is Building Information Modeling. The software is used for 3D modeling, documentation and collaboration with other softwares for different results. So why do we use Revit? We use Revit because once we make an element in one view, we can see it parallelly in other views. It uses better visualization and accuracy as compared to other softwares, and the real-time collaboration is also a great feature to have. That means many people can work on the same project in different places. The key features of Revit architecture are 3D modeling, detailing, scheduling, material takeoff, and construction documentation. That means we can calculate the amount of material that will be required to create a building. We can also make all the plans, elevations, sections that will be required by the architects and the engineers to make the building. Next feature is rendering and visualization. On the left, we can see the model of a building in the software, and on the right, we can see the rendered version of it. By rendering, we mean that all the materials, paints, and natural and artificial lights are being applied and how the project will look in real life. The real-world applications of the project of Revit architecture are residential and commercial buildings, integration with MEP and structural designs, urban planning and interior designing. In the first picture, you can see the architectural phase of the building. In the second phase, you can see the structural phase of the building. And on the third phase, you can see the MEP, that is the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing part of the project. You will have a lot of career opportunities once you learn Revit. You can become a BIM modeler, you can become a Revit technician, a BIM coordinator, a architectural drafter, and many more. In conclusion, Revit is a powerful tool for modern architects which enhances productivity and design quality and is a must-have skill for aspiring professionals. Moving on, we will move to a quick demonstration of the project. Here you can see a 3D view of a house that is made in the software in the real time. Now to demonstrate how easy it is to make things on Revit, we will go and make a fresh project. Firstly, we will go to the elevation and make some levels. Here we are creating many levels. We can use these levels to make plinths, foyers, entries. Going to level 1, we will select the wall command and give a rough area. Connect these walls to the second level. Make a floor. Now we will zoom in some more and make some more walls. Connect them to the second level. We will make an entrance, a bedroom on the rear side, a master bedroom, a living area, a washroom here, and a washroom on the back side, a place for the stairs, and the common area. Now we will select the room tag and place the rooms. This is what we meant when we said this is a BIM software, that means the software is aware that this is a closed space and the tag needs to be enclosed within these walls. Moving on, we will put some doors. Let's put one door here and one door in this washroom. We will just switch the direction in which these doors open. We'll put one more door here, one more to enter this, and one more for the kitchen area. This will be our common area. Now to put some windows here, we'll go to the window command. We'll take some big windows for the front. We have to switch the position of this window. Going to the window command again, we'll put one more window here and one on the right side, one here. We will take one more type of window for our bedrooms. Let's make a door over here for the lobby entrance and another window over here and one window over here. Let's also put one over here. Okay. So to view the plan in 3D, you have to click on the 3D button. This is how it will look in 3D. To get a better view, we can go to shaded and let's zoom in a bit. So this is how easy it is to make a model in Revit. Let's go back to level 1. If we want, we can make a multiple story building out of this using the same layout. Supposedly we want a rounded outline for our room that will serve as a balcony for the upper floors. Now if we go to the bird eye view, we can select this, copy it, paste, align to selected levels, level 2, 3, 4. Okay, here you can see the building is being made. Let's make a railing. Let's go to the railing. From the type selector menu, we will select the bottom fill glass type and pick this plane. Now we will also copy it and paste it to 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and 3 levels. Okay, and we'll delete the one from the ground floor. To make the roof, we go to the roof command, roof by footprint. We will make it on level 5. Let's go to the top view, go to the line command, go to the pick line command. Now we don't want slopes on the front and the back, so we will untick the slope command and see if it is, yeah, it's come out pretty alright. Now we will select all these elements here, go to filter, just select the walls and attach the top of the walls. Select these, select the walls from the filter, then attach them to the top. Now we will decrease the height of the roof by 10 feet. So now this is how easy it is to make a model in Revit. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned something new. Looking forward to learning with you further. Thank you.